Hey guys, it is Mark Coe for the 1st of May. Kind of a slow start to the month just because we had FOMC today. The only intraday deal we did was a quick little long trade in dollar yen, which was stopped out. I think it cost 9 ticks. That was real early in the morning. Then we just sat around waiting for FOMC, so not a lot going on there. What I thought we would talk about today is just kind of show you longer term picture of levels and what they're doing as you work down to tighter ranges. So this is the same scenario that we've been going over in euro, but I just chose another market to look at. NatGas as one I follow, although not on an intraday basis. I do not look at NatGas as a day trading market, but to me it's much more of a positional swing trading opportunity. And the opportunity has been for longs in and around this two spot 500 area. And so you can see where it's coming from. Again, you can walk back to 2015. And this is just the generic, so that's why it's NG1. It's just the generic contract. So again, in between the 2500 two spot 600 area, and what you're looking at is, so your lows here 2546, your lows here 2530. You actually did trade down to 2439, but you never closed down below this zone, and that's what we're always focusing on, is bottom edge, bottom zone. So this is where you get big picture. Okay, this is big picture. So anybody that's been listening to me in NatGas, for better part of a couple years knows that this is the edge I've been playing against. But I want to show you what it looks like from a trading standpoint, more of a swing trading opportunity as you get down to something tighter. And when I say something tighter, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, something that's provides a few days opportunity, but not necessarily months and weeks at a time. Here is the opportunity. Now think again what it was. So it's this 2500 to 5.5 area marks the bottom of that. So you're trading, when you get these buy signals, you're trading down just below that. So you're still not inside of a weekly close beyond your 500 support. Here's where you get buy signal. Now think about what you get down here when you get the signal. You get buy signal, right at the bottom. So your buy signal is at 467. 467 trades not quite two big figures, but 100.5 quick points. But think about how many opportunities you have when you go back and look at that bigger picture NatGas chart. How many opportunities you have to play that bottom edge. And so again, this is, you're looking at a 150 point rotation. Well, the last several times down here, you got 540s trades 3994. That was 1400 points. You trade 560s, then to 360s. That's 1,000 points. This one's 530s, which trades up to 492. That's almost double's price, right? 2,400 points. Now you're back down, at least fifth, sixth time back down here, and you're still seeing profits generated. Now, NatGas may break. Same thing I've been doing in euro, guys. No different in euro. The difference is the volatility may not be ridiculous in euro dollar beyond that, but you're seeing this opportunity in NatGas. In euro dollar, it's a very similar reaction, right? We're looking at some bottom edge forming and playing really this level. It's not even as big a picture level as maybe you saw in NatGas there. But this is what we're playing against as we're buyers. Beyond that, we've talked about this 105 area. That's a ways away. So that's not really available to us now. But what is available is this one spot 1115 to 1175 bottom edge. And we played it even yesterday. We were playing it. We're back at 1190s today, post FOMC, and we'll see how it develops. But there have been tradable opportunities into that level. So I just wanted to show you another market to be able to look at it on, right? This was the opportunity in euro dollar a couple days ago. So we were trading 1150s. We took profit yesterday at, I think it was like 1218, 1219, something like that. So again, not a massive deal, but trade off of that bottom edge. So same thing. We're trading the zones, the levels, the counts, good stuff, and really happy with the productivity. So I hope you guys are having a good start to May. It was quiet for us, as I said, dropped, I think it was 9 ticks. Dropped 9 ticks. Dropped 9 ticks, 8 ticks, sorry, 8 ticks in dollar. I thought it was 9. 8 ticks in dollar yen. So that was all we did on an intraday basis today, because we're kind of just sidelined due to FOMC. And then that was it, guys. So cheers. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll visit again tomorrow. Cheers.